You also use the cables for sharing the data to your laptop to mobile, then throw it. क्योंकि गूगल ने लॉन्च कर दिया है नियर बाय शेयर फॉर विंडोज़, या फाइनली नियर बाय शेयर लॉन्च हो चुका है विंडोज़ के लिए. यू कैन ईजिली ट्रांसफर द डेटा टू योर लैपटॉप टू मोबाइल और मोबाइल टू लैपटॉप विथ वायरलेसली. So how to set up nearby share? Let's start the video. You simply open this link, that is the nearby share. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box. And you can see here, this is the nearby share for Windows, wireless sharing with your PC made easy. And you can see here this button, get start. So you simply click on it and download the setup file for nearby share. After the downloading, just open this exe file. And you can see here nearby share starting to installing. And it's installed successfully. Click on Windows button and search for nearby share and open it. And this is the nearby share from Google. And you can see here, this is the device name, Sanket PC. There are devices hidden. There are many options: receive from everyone, from contacts, from your devices, or you simply select on devices hidden. I select here receive from everyone. Just click on it and you can receive all files from everyone. And these are the settings. Here you also change your device name, as well as you also change the path where you want to save your files using this option. You also share the files from your laptop to smartphone. You just drag and drop here the files and select your mobile. It's automatically share the files. Same process for mobile. You just select the files from your mobile and share to the laptop. In this way, you also share the files wirelessly with the help of nearby share. So that is for today. Let's see you in next video with another topic. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.